Has it ever crossed your mind how the apprenticeship system in Igbo culture has shaped the economic landscape of Nigeria? Indeed, the Igbo apprenticeship system is a fascinating study of culture, economics, and social mobility. Dive back in time to the pre-colonial era. The Igbo people, primarily residing in the southeastern part of Nigeria, established a unique system of apprenticeship. This system, known as the Imu Ahia, was not just about learning a trade or craft. It was, and still is, a holistic approach to education, fostering entrepreneurship, instilling discipline, and promoting a sense of community. The Imu Ahia, translated as learning the market, began as a way for young Igbo men to learn the intricacies of trade and commerce. An apprentice, typically between the ages of 10 and 15, would live with a master craftsman or trader, often a distant relative or family friend. This master would provide food, shelter, and most importantly, knowledge. In return, the apprentice would serve the master, assisting in everyday tasks and gradually learning the ropes of the business. This relationship was not merely transactional, it was a bond of trust and mutual respect, echoing the Igbo philosophy of Onye Agala Nwana Ya, meaning no one should leave his brother behind. The apprenticeship would last for about 5 to 7 years, culminating in a freedom ceremony. The master would set the apprentice up with a small amount of capital to start his own venture. This practice created a cycle of wealth creation and economic mobility, contributing significantly to the entrepreneurial spirit that the Igbo people are known for today. Fast forward to the present day, the Imu Ahia is still very much alive. It has adapted to the changing times, encompassing not just traditional crafts and trade, but also modern industries like technology and finance. It continues to be a robust system of economic empowerment and social mobility, driving the Igbo people, and by extension Nigeria, towards greater prosperity. Perhaps the most striking feature of the Igbo apprenticeship system is its inclusivity. It doesn't discriminate based on social status or wealth. It's an open opportunity for anyone willing to learn and work hard. This inclusivity and openness have played a significant role in reducing poverty and promoting wealth creation among the Igbo people. In summary, the Igbo apprenticeship system, or Imu Ahia, is a shining example of how traditional cultural practices can contribute to economic development and social mobility. Beginning as a simple system of learning a trade in the pre-colonial era, it has evolved into a powerful tool for economic empowerment, embodying the entrepreneurial spirit of the Igbo people. It is a testament to the power of culture in shaping economic landscapes, fostering entrepreneurship, and promoting social mobility. This journey through the apprenticeship system in Igbo culture serves as a reminder that the roots of economic success often lie in the wisdom of our ancestors. It encourages us to look back at our cultural heritage for solutions to modern-day challenges. The Igbo apprenticeship system is more than just a method of learning a trade. It is a philosophy, a way of life, and a beacon of hope for many. It is a testament to the power of unity, hard work, and the indomitable spirit of the Igbo people. It is indeed a legacy worth preserving and cherishing.